All right, explaining S dot 6. Everybody please look. Please pay attention. If you're already making a good grade on it, then I guess you don't need to pay attention, but everybody else please look. All right, so the first thing you do is it gives you a couple things. Your equation looks like this. Your equation looks like this. Y equals why does that do that after I clicked it not to? All right, y equals mx plus b. Okay? So, the b is the beginning. One more time. The b is the beginning, which means that's the one you start with. This is the one that does not have x or y. It does not have x or y. So if you look at this one, which one would it be? Elia, which one would it be? The one that does not have x or y. Yeah, which one is your B? 9, because it doesn't have x or y. So what you're going to do is this. You're going to put a point on 9. If it's negative, it goes down here, but it's 9, so it goes up here. Everybody see that? Mario, Jose, Juan Diego, I'm going to move you. I need you, Jose, to move up 1. I need Juan Diego to go over there, behind Alejandra. I need Mario to move up here. Actually, there's this one right here. Just move the papers. You're coming up here, Mario. No. I want Jose up here, the first one. Mario, where Jose is Diego, and you stay there, Juan Diego. Because y'all are playing. If anyone else is playing, you're staying. Alright, next. The y-intercept. The slope is that we put the first 9, and then we move the slope. The slope tells us how to move. Do you see how here it has the x? Everyone see the x? The one in front of it, Obed, is a slope. Alright? 1 over 9. 1 over 9. So that means it's positive, so it goes up 1. How many to the right? You always go to the right. 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And that's all you have to do. Just 9, because it says 9. Yep. Click submit. Alright, now this one. Okay? First thing I do is the beginning. I'm going to call on someone to tell me what's the beginning here. Remember, the beginning does not have x or y. Magdalena, what's my beginning? Negative 10. So you put a point at negative 10. Alejandra? Next I do slope. What's the slope here? It's the one that doesn't have x. I mean, the one that has x. Yeah, the one that has x. So which one is it? Seven. Very good. So that means you count, it's positive, so you go up 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. And how many do I go to the right? It doesn't say that. Do you see how it doesn't have the number? That means you go over 1. Why do you go over 1? Because it's a whole number. If it doesn't have the fraction, it's always over 1. So I went up 7 over 1. Went up 7 over 1. Alejandra is so disrespectful. Alright, last example. What's my beginning here? Jose, what's my beginning here? -1, so you put a point at -1. What's my slope, Kapa? -1 over 8. So that means you go down or up, Yusuf, if it's negative. Down, how many? Single? 1, because the number on top is 1. So you go down 1. How many to the right, Quinty? How many to the right? 8, because that's the number under. 1, 2, 3. All right. Okay. What's the beginning on this one, Brian? Y'all can start if y'all know how to do it. What's the beginning? -7. What's the slope, Alejandra? How many x's? Negative, so you go down or up? Down, because it's negative. How many? Negative? Because it's negative. Mira. But how many x's? 1. So you go down 1. How many to the right? 1. Yeah. Oh, Miss Castañeda.